Are you wondering how much digital marketing for businesses cost? Top brands spend an average of 72% of their total marketing budget on digital marketing. Strategic online marketing helps businesses to reach their target audience, increase brand awareness, capture leads, track customers' data, and stay top of mind. If you are starting a business or want to improve the online presence you already have, you need a targeted digital marketing budget to make the most of your investment. First, set your digital marketing goals. Do you wish to boost brand awareness, make more sales, or a combination? Your desired outcome will influence your digital marketing strategy and budget. Second, determine which types of digital marketing you need to achieve your goals. Think of each digital marketing tool as a vehicle to drive you to your goals. Your goals will directly influence the type of digital marketing you will need and where to increase or decrease spending. Here are some popular digital marketing services: search engine optimization, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, marketing automation, content marketing, web development, social media marketing. Third, set your budget. Once you have an idea on what you need to spend your marketing dollars on, you need to decide how much you can afford to spend. For example, if your business's annual revenue is $2 million, you should allocate a minimum of $70,000 per year to digital marketing. Fourth, allocate your marketing dollars using the 70-20-10 rule. At this point, you have set a digital marketing budget and have a general idea on how you wanted to use it. Now it's time to zero in on how you will allocate funds. One helpful strategy is the 70-20-10 rule. Spend 70% on now activities, spend 20% on next activities, and spend 10% on new activities. 5. Track results over time. Implementing successful digital marketing is an ongoing process. Once you have established your plan, be sure to track your results over time. Don't become too tied down to one strategy. You might be surprised by what ends up working and what doesn't. Are you ready to launch your digital marketing campaign and take your business to the next level? Contact us and we will help you.